advantage at the moment. What a great race though for second place. Rossi thought about it, then decided perhaps not to do so. They came through Scarperia, just got a little bit up the inside of Danny Pedrosa. He's keen to make a move as quick as he can.
7 laps and 4 quarters to go for Valentino Rossi. Now right in the back of Pedrosa, who's only still holding second place. 7.5 seconds up the road is the race leader for Lorenzo, looking for yet another victory here in Mugello. Now Valentino Rossi, as he closely to attack on the brakes at Ficini. No, he's not. Danny Pedrosa holds his line through the final corner. Now we know that the Yamaha doesn't have the top speed performance of the Honda, so likely Rossi will be able to slipstream Pedrosa. It might need a brave move on the brakes down in San Donato.
Here they come down towards San Donato. Marquez wants to make a move on Iannone. He may make a move on Iannone. He's up the inside, Marquez. Marquez moves into second place. Can he make it stick? No, he can't. He's running wide. And Iannone's back into second place. It's the man riding with a fracture in his left shoulder.
Marc Marquez just left about 1.5 metres for Iannone, just to sweep back into second place. Valentino Rossi still desperately trying to find his way up into 4th by Danny Pedrosa. Iannone, Marquez, Pedrosa and Rossi. Cal Crutchlow still doing a great job of holding Bradley Smith at bay. Colin Spargo, Matt Vinales inside the top 10. Rossi, this is where he passed to Pedrosa a few laps ago. Marquez now has taken second place back from Iannone. Well, they almost come together through Arrabbiata. One real great action between the two.
This is where Iannone found an Arrabbiata 2 in the recent test. That's where he damaged his shoulders. They plunged downhill towards Scarperia. Marquez now into second place. Iannone third. 4th is Pedrosa. Right behind Pedrosa, we ride with him. It's the crowd's favourite, Valentino Rossi, as they race down over the rise towards Colontaio.
Lorenzo already going through Biondetti 1 and 2. Marc Marquez from Iannone. They got great drive out of that turn number 12. Marquez, though, he knows he's got to have a few bike lengths on Iannone going down the straight, because the Ducati does have the grunt, it does have the horsepower. It's the fastest bike in this MotoGP field. Danny Pedrosa runs a little bit wide. Valentino Rossi now, will he line him up for a move at San Donato?
So 93 plus 0. Look at the front of the Ducati. He just races under Marc Marquez. So Iannone back into second place. Marquez can do absolutely nothing about it. On the Ducati, he just races under Marc Marquez. So Iannone back into second place. Marquez can do absolutely nothing about that. And Marquez just runs it a little bit wide again. And Pedrosa closes up.
It wasn't even a slipstream from Iannone, was it? He was absolutely blitzed by that factory Honda at Marc Marquez. Oh, Marquez has crashed! Marc Marquez has crashed out of the Italian Grand Prix. Yet more disaster for the world champion.
Marquez is out. Walks away. Marc Marquez's championship campaign is in tatters. Marquez out of the Italian Grand Prix. Valentino Rossi now closing on Danny Pedrosa. Can you believe it? Marquez's season just gets worse and worse. The crowd on their feet cheering on Valentino Rossi as he closes on Pedrosa once again.
Clear track between Iannone now in second place and Pedrosa in third. There are the marshals wheeling Marc Marquez's bike off the track. Yet more disaster for the world champion. Rossi now up into third place. The crowd are going absolutely crazy here in Mugello. Lynn Jarvis, a round of applause. Rossi up into third place.
Valentino Rossi in the third place behind Danny Pedrosa. What a wretched lap that's been for the Honda team. Marquez crashing out and Pedrosa now relegated to 4th place. Can Rossi close it up on Iannone? That strength in that shoulder must be pushed to the absolute limit. It's a great ride by Rossi, who didn't make the best of start.
Here's a replay of Marc Marquez going to go past. You saw him go through, he loses the front right there. Looked like he might be able to just keep it upright, but no way. Gravity takes over. Nightmare for Marc Marquez. This is on board with Andrea Iannone. Front end just washes away from Marc Marquez. Right in front of Danny Pedrosa and Valentino Rossi. Well, Marc Marquez is only one this year. again off the podium, out of the race. Marc Marquez's World Championship hopes are fading pretty fast in the first third of this championship.
Certainly are. Here is Andrea Iannone in second place. Valentino Rossi fighting Danny Pedrosa, who's right back at him. Doesn't want Rossi to get away. Can Iannone's shoulder stand the strain? If it can, it'll be an unbelievable second place for the Italian. But Rossi will retain his lead in the World Championship despite an 8.4 advantage for Lorenzo at the front.
Looked like Marquez lost the front going through turn number 3, Poggio Senko. He just had Andrea Iannone blitzed by him on the start of this race. Jorge Lorenzo now is going to get the pit board that Marc Marquez is out of this race.
Guys, just to very quickly back to Dovizioso situation, so Ducati has confirmed it was a rear chattering issue.
Right, Lorenzo will be 6 points behind Rossi if the race results remain the same. Through Biandetti 1 and 2 for Jorge Lorenzo. We've seen some master classes from him this season. This is, I think, the very best of all. One of his great Grand Prix rides. I'll tell you what, Pedrosa is not going to let Rossi get away.
It's been an exhibition in speed and consistency and precision from Jorge Lorenzo. The ride on board with Cal Crutchlow. This will be a heroic ride to 5th place for Crutchlow. Lorenzo's crossed the line to start his 20th lap. He's the lead over Iannone at 8.3 seconds. Here comes Cal Crutchlow to the line. Looks like he's stretched a bit of the gap over Bradley Smith. He has the gap between Crutchlow and Smith up to almost a second. Danny Pedrosa, as Nick said, he's
The GP World Champion. He's a double GP World Champion. At the moment, he is simply unbeatable.
He is indeed. Here comes Jorge Lorenzo around the Pacini corner. He's already waved to the crowd. His Very Star Yamaha team wait to celebrate a 3rd successive victory in 2015.
Jorge Lorenzo crosses the line. Jorge Lorenzo is a massive championship threat. 3 in a row. Masterclass. What a ride by Andrea Iannone in second. And Valentino Rossi in 3rd. And here is Bradley Smith. Danny Pedrosa has crossed the line in 4th place. Bradley Smith and Paul Espargaro in 6th place.
Maverick Vinales over the line in 7th place. That's a career best MotoGP finish for the Spaniard. Delight for Andrea Iannone and his Ducati team, who really did put in a fantastic final lap. He was coming under